So the first step is to take these bolts right here out. They're in the middle. It could be any size, honestly, depending on what car you have.
No shit. There we go.
Yeah. That one's a little smaller.
Haha! That was way easier than I thought it was gonna be.
Second step's really easy. Just remove the tray. It's two 10mm bolts. Unplug the plugs for the O2 sensors and remove the O2 sensors. The next step is to remove the 4 bolts from the
Is it bigger? Let me see that.
downpipe that connect to the turbo itself. I had 2 14s and 2 15s. That could be anything. You're going to need a swivel for sure, and then go underneath the, see that mount I'm looking at right now? You're definitely going to need to go underneath that little frame piece right there. You'll figure it out. You see where the wrench is?
Yeah, I'm going to put this back where it goes.
Put it on there and it didn't fit.
No.
Try it again because I don't want to strip it. I know these are 16s. Might have exchanged them. Bigger. That's very small. Kill all the cats.
Aha!
Alright, now that you've got it off, the installation process is straightforward and it's just
And there
the
she
opposite.
is.
So you just watch the video backwards.
Couple
and that's
fitment
how you put it
issues.
back in. Alright, you should be done.
You know,
and
with
we're
a
about
bit
to
of
pull this
finesse,
thing
it goes.
down and
Does exactly what it's
listen
supposed to.
the beautiful
I'm gonna
noises
try it.
makes.
Opened up. You ready?
Yep.